I love animated characters, and I really enjoy printing them. Today, I'm going to create an exciting character with a chain puff, exactly the way I want, using my 3D printer. I've spent a long time researching printer settings and how to print on different machines, and now that I have this printer, I'm super happy with it. To start printing, you first need to adjust the settings, then load the file onto a USB stick and give it to the printer. The printing process can take all day, from morning to night, and you don't really need to stay next to the machine the whole time. What you're seeing here are all of the steps of how the printer works. My filament has color, it's not just plain white, and even this colored filament is really fun for me to use. During printing, the printer uses supports for certain parts of the object. We just have to let it finish properly and make sure the printing is complete before we remove the object. Now that my print is ready, wow, this is the best part. I really love this stage. Just look at what has been printed, a super cute little object, exactly like my phone case. I've always wanted to make this myself. Now it's time to paint it. I think acrylic paints work best for this. Let's pick the colors. I'll go with blue, cream, white, and a little black for the ears, and then start painting. Honestly, I do all the work just to get to this painting part. This is by far the most fun and relaxing thing I can do. I mix all the colors and paint my object carefully, piece by piece. This is one of my most beautiful and favorite objects, and I really love continuing this process. So far, I've printed and painted more than 20 famous animated characters and objects myself. Just subscribe and join my channel, and every week you'll get to see many more of these prints. Plus, if any special printer settings are needed, I've already explained them in my previous videos, so don't worry, just follow along with me. By the way, which character do you love? Let me know so I can add it to my list of objects to print next.